Good morning, dear students. Last time we have already started with a new lesson, that is electric current and its effect. And last time we have seen various components of electric circuit, in which we have seen bulb, we have seen switch, we have seen cell and other parts. And at the same time I have told you they are called as elements of the circuit. Today we are going to discuss with a new parameter, that is potential difference. Children, today's topic is very easy. You just have to understand it properly. See, for example, if I take up with two containers and I fill them with water, and before that I connect these two containers or two vessels with a pipe. Okay, and in this vessel I fill higher amount of water, and in this it is less. So what we will observe, the water from this vessel will go into this vessel. But till what time it will go, till which level it will go? Only till water pressure is same and level of water in these two vessels, it comes to same. What I have taken? I have taken higher water level in one and lower water level in second vessel. So the water level will move from higher to lower till what? Till the level of water in both the vessels is same. Okay, it will flow through this pipe. But now what I want? I want the water to continuously flow from vessel A to vessel B. So how is it possible? So for that I have to connect these two vessels with a pump. Okay, if I connect it with a pump, what will happen? There will be continuous supply of water to the vessel A, which is always at higher level, and therefore there will be a pressure difference created. Okay, and therefore water will be continuously moving from vessel A to vessel B. Why will it move from vessel A to vessel B only and not from vessel B to vessel A? You must be having that doubt, because vessel A is having higher concentration of water. Amount of water is more in vessel A as compared to vessel B. And you need to remember, it will always move from higher concentration to lower concentration. So children, this was about the water levels in two utensils or in two vessels. And I have told you water will move from a vessel which is having higher amount of water till the time it comes up to equals to both the water level is same in both the vessels. Okay, but if I want such thing to be done by connecting electricity, okay, so that difference which is being created, that is called as potential difference. Okay, you have to remember, same way as water will always move from higher concentration to lower concentration, same way current will also flow from A to B. Okay, and when? Because A is that higher potential. Therefore, it will always move from A to B. Okay. Now second, here we have used a pump so that there is continuous supply of water from A to B. But here, what is the pump we are using? We will use either cell or we will use battery, so that there will be continuous supply of current moving from A to B. So you have to remember, here who will put up with the continuous